How you doing, folks? Angel Diaz here from Audi VW in Fall River, and guess what? We have some time today, so why not make a video on the 2023 Volkswagen Atlas Crossport SEL Premium R-Line. Let's get right into it. All right, folks, and let's dive right into it. As you can see, this one is actually the Opal White Crossport SEL Premium R-Line. As you can see, look at this beautiful design. One thing I do love about this design is how Volkswagen now has this big logo right in the front. You have a lot of chrome going on. If you see towards the bottom as well, you have a lot of black. You got this chrome going around over here, the sensors. I love that. One thing about these vehicles, it will show you R-Line, because it's an R-Line, so you're gonna see your R-Line badging right over here. You do get your full LED headlights, LED high beams, and as you can see over here, I do have it on. Here's your turn signals as well, so anyone in front of you will see that nicely displayed. I love it. You do have a front camera as well, so you get that 360 view with this vehicle. If you come over here to the side, let me show you these great styling 21-inch wheels. I love them. You got your all-season tires on them as well. It doesn't get better than that. If you come over here and you get some more badging letting you know this is the Crossport. As you folks know, Crossports have not been around for too long, so I like the fact that it actually displays it for you. You got your body side mirrors over here with your black on the bottom. You do have that other camera right over here on the bottom. That's what helps you give you that 360 view as well. Turn signal, as you can see, is displayed there as well. And one thing that it does have, and I'll display it to you later, it does have blind spot monitor right on the mirror as well. But later on, I'll show you, I'll illuminate that for you. Keyless entry, you have these little pads over here. You put your finger on there, it will lock it for you. Put your hand in the handle and it will unlock the vehicle for you. That is a great feature. Love that. Let's move towards the back. As you can see, all these body lines just make the whole car stand out. Push it in when the vehicle is unlocked and you can have access to your gas tank. And now let's go back and see this great looking rear of this vehicle. Check that out. As you can see, this is what makes it a Crossport. It's just slightly cut off from your traditional Atlas and making that a 5-passenger. You have also these LED tail lights as well. Check out the hazard lights. I do have them on. As you can see, SEL, this is a V6. You do have the option where most Crossport to do a 4-cylinder or a 6-cylinder. This one is the tippity top of the line SEL Premium R-Line. And as you can see over here, also 4Motion. They do come all-wheel drive. You have your sensors on the bumper for rear cross traffic alert. Also, if you're getting too close to when you're parking, it will beep letting you know that something is back there. Now let's hit that power lift gate. Love that. As you can see, look at this space that you have over here. One thing I noticed right off the bat, privacy shade you get over here. You get your privacy cover. You do get your monster mats over here. Love it, still packaged in. You get your regular mats as well. The rest are already installed. And you get a cargo mat as well. As you can see, you get your first aid kit over here. You get your Volkswagen blocks, just so you can see that you do get a spare with this vehicle. You got your tools on the side if you have to do the own maintenance, but you do get roadside assistance for the next couple of years on the house. Let's go for it. You got the button over here, you press it and that will shut it down automatically. One thing I do want to show you before we move around the side, tow hitch. This thing's ready to go. It can tow up to 5,000 pounds if you need it as well. Now let's go so you can see the rear of this vehicle. Oh my God, look at this interior. You got the cinnamon brown with the black interior, white stitching going all the way around. And I do want to show you folks how much space is back here. Now check this out. This is a lot of space. Fit a whole baby in front of me. Come on. You got heated seats in the back as well. As you can see, USB ports in the bottom. If you have to connect something, maybe you go to the beach and you have a speaker, you want to connect it right over here, you got an outlet as well. You got your vents back here. A lot of cars don't have vents in the rear, so you got your vents back here just in case your air conditioner is on. You have a privacy shade as well, so that's one thing that everyone needs to have, especially if you have kids. Let's go to the front and check out the vehicle so you can see all the sweet technology in this car. Now let's check it out. All right, folks, and here we are, and I am behind the wheel of this amazing car, and I'm telling you, comfort is amazing. Seats feel great on my bum. Everything feels great about this vehicle. Check out the steering wheel. Even just the steering wheel looks amazing. Showing you your R line over here. So you got your R line badging over here. You got your logo for your VW over here. Everything that needs to be on the steering wheel is on here. Cruise control on one side. If you want to control the infotainment system that we have here, it's on this side with heated steering wheel. I love this. You have a view button over here. See, you can make those clusters go away and just get different views for it. I love that. But I do want to start here on the door panel. So just so you can see a couple of things. You do get 4 power windows. You get your power folded mirrors as well, as you can see. Love that. It's always convenient to have, especially when you park your cars. Keep it nice and safe, nice and hidden. You do have your lock buttons over here, and one thing I didn't mention is you do get Fender audio with this vehicle. If you go right here behind the steering wheel towards the left, you do have your functionality for your lighting. Okay, you could put that on auto, set it on auto, that way you kind of forget about it. As we move over here towards the front, if you do connect the Apple CarPlay, as you can see, that's one thing I like. You got the wave on here. You see how it just turns over. You don't even have to touch the screen now. These guys are ahead of their time. But if you want to touch it, if you want to be traditional, touch the screen. On the side over here, you do have different options to help you navigate to wherever you want to go to. If you go further down over here, you will see your comfort zone over here. You got heated seats. As you notice, the seats were perforated, so you do get ventilated seats as well, driver and passenger side. I love that. A couple things that I do love, you have a few ports to be able to charge your vehicle. You got your 12V and your USB-C, and you have your charging pad over here. I don't know if you can see it, but you can definitely just set your phone on there just like this, and it will charge your phone for you. As you can see up here displayed, it'll let you know that it is charging your phone as well. Okay, and so now let's go a little further down. As you can see, you got your beautiful shifter over here with this kind of like leather and white stitching going along the middle. I do love that. Your push to start button, and you have your different drive mode settings over here. Is the dial. You switch it between modes, and if you go over here to that infotainment system as well, it will show you what drive mode you have it in. You can select as well, as you can see, eco, normal, sport. You do have more buttons down here. This is for pretty much more safety. If you press that button, check this out. I love this. You get an aerial view of the vehicle. As you can see on the side over here, these are the vehicles that are parked on the side of me, and it just shows you everything. Also, it engages your parking sensors, it engages your rear traffic alert, it engages a few things with that button. I just want you to get a closer look at this seat over here, because I can't get over it. Perforated, like I said, heated and ventilated seats. You got the cinnamon brown interior with the black as well. You get a little bit of black, you get some white stitching on the side as well. I just love this look. If you see over here in the passenger door on the door panel, you do get a little bit of cinnamon brown with the white stitching going across and going down. Love that. And if you come up here to the top, you will see your different functionalities for your interior lighting, your sunroof as well. Folks, there you have it. There was your 2023 Volkswagen Atlas Crossport SEL Premium R line. Like I said, yes, the best of the best, and it is still available. So if anybody is interested, please give me a call. The number is 508-678-5555. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, Angel Diaz, Audi Volkswagen Fall River. Take care, everybody.